Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use classes in QuickBooks. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking income and expenses across different departments, locations, or product lines, giving you much clearer insights into which areas of your business are most profitable. To get started, click the gear icon labeled Settings in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. This icon is your gateway to all the configuration options you'll need. Once you click it, a menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you'll control the core features of your QuickBooks setup. Inside Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs running down the left side of the screen. Click on the Advanced tab. This section contains more specialized features that aren't part of the everyday setup, including the class tracking option we need. Now, scroll down until you find the Categories section. This is where QuickBooks lets you enable different ways to organize and categorize your financial data. Look for the toggle labeled Track Classes and turn it on. Enabling this feature allows you to assign classes to transactions throughout QuickBooks, which means you can start sorting your income and expenses by whatever categories matter most to your business. After toggling it on, click Save, and then click Done to exit the Account and Settings window. Now that class tracking is enabled, you need to actually create your classes. Go back to the Settings gear icon and this time select All Lists from the menu. You'll see a variety of list options here. Click on Classes to open the Class Management screen. This is where you'll create and organize all the classes you want to track. Click the New button near the top right to create your first class. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the class. Type a meaningful name in the class name field. Choose something that clearly represents a segment of your business, like a department name, location, or project. If you want to nest this class under another one, check the box labeled Is a Subclass and choose the parent class from the dropdown. This is helpful if you have a main category with subcategories, like a sales department with regions underneath. Once you've entered the name and any subclass details, click Save to add the class. You can repeat this process to create as many classes as you need. From now on, whenever you enter a transaction in QuickBooks, you'll be able to assign it to one of these classes, making your reporting far more detailed and actionable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.